All right, Leo, looking at a 2019 Street Glide here. As we know, what goes with riding can be dangerous sometimes, and you know, accidents do happen. The first thing that we care about is that the rider is healthy and okay. The second thing is how we're gonna get that bike back to how it was before the accident happened. Docs does do insurance quotes. If you did not know, give us a call if you had an accident and you need an insurance quote. I will work with the claim adjuster as well as the appraiser to make sure that you get everything that you need to make sure your bike is up and running the way it was before the accident happened. This Street Glide went down on the left side. As you can see, he's got damage to his outer fairing as well as the inner fairing. The crash guard, which took most of the force, as you can see, needs to be replaced. When it broke off, it dented the front fender. We'll take care of that as well. His floorboards as well as the floorboard mounts are all scraped up, as well as his outer primary cover. And then last but not least, his saddlebags, as you can see, are all scraped up on the side, so we'll have to take care of the top saddlebag lid as well as the saddlebag. So there'll be some body and paint work that we'll have to do, plus we'll have to get the parts, but we'll make sure that this bike is how it was before it got here, is how it was before the accident happened. So thank God everybody's okay in this one. If you have an incident and you need a quote, give us a call. Again, I'll work with the appraisers to make sure that you're in and out as quickly as possible. DocsMC.com, 203-757-0295. We'll have you in and out.